Turn on or turn off edge lighting style for pop-up notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Notifications. After click on Notification pop-up style and make sure click on Brief. After click on Brief, click on Add Lighting Effects. After click on Add Lighting Effect, so you will see if you want to turn on pop-up lighting style, so you will select lighting style and click on done. You will see lighting style pop-up notification is turned on. If you want to turn off, click on add lighting effects and click on none and click on done. After click on done, you will see lighting style for pop-up notification is turned off. So you will turn on or turn off effects from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off edge lighting style for pop-up notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.